Yogurt, you see it everywhere. Breakfast tables, smoothie bars, supermarket aisles. But how does ordinary milk turn into this creamy, tangy treat, especially on a massive factory scale? Let me walk you through the incredible process, from cow to cup, in just 3 minutes. It all starts on the dairy farm. Cows are milked using automated machines, and the fresh milk is whisked away in refrigerated tankers. These trucks keep the milk below 4 degrees Celsius, stopping bacteria from spoiling the batch before it even arrives at the factory. Once inside the factory, the milk doesn't get a free pass. It's tested for fat, protein, and any unwanted germs or antibiotics. Only the best batches move on. Next up is pasteurization, the safety checkpoint. The milk gets heated to about 85 to 90 degrees Celsius for just a few seconds. This kills off the bad bugs but keeps nutrients intact. Right after, the milk is homogenized at high pressure. Imagine forcing the milk through a tiny gap at nearly 3,000 psi. That's how the fat gets broken down, making sure every spoonful of yogurt is perfectly smooth. Now it's time to cool things down. The milk drops to about 43 degrees Celsius, which is the sweet spot for friendly bacteria. Technicians add starter cultures, mainly Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus. These tiny superheroes eat milk sugars and turn them into lactic acid, thickening the milk and giving yogurt its signature taste. Fermentation kicks in. The milk bacteria mix sits in massive tanks for a few hours. As the pH drops, the mixture thickens and the flavor builds. When it's perfect, the yogurt gets quickly cooled to below 5 degrees Celsius, locking in texture and stopping the bacteria from going too far. For Greek yogurt, there's one extra step: machines filter out some of the watery whey, making it richer and creamier. Now comes the fun part: flavor. Factories blend in fruit purees, sweeteners, or honey using high-speed mixers. Everything is measured down to the gram for consistency. Finally, the yogurt flows into automated filling lines. Cups are filled, sealed, labeled, and packed, all without a single human hand touching the product. Every hour, samples are tested for texture, taste, and safety. If anything's off, that batch never leaves the plant. The finished yogurt heads into giant cold rooms and onto refrigerated trucks, keeping it fresh all the way to your local store. From cow to cup, the whole process, sometimes less than 48 hours. So next time you open a cup of yogurt, remember, it's not just food. It's the result of careful science, precise engineering, and, yep, a little help from some remarkable bacteria. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick looks inside the world's most fascinating factories.